Good morning, Miss. Today I'm going to present about network security problem-based task. My name is Divashni, daughter of Moni and D, metric number 17DDT22F2052. And then Tanusha Devi, daughter of Jaybalan. The last one is Priya Loshini, daughter of Selvakumar. The introduction of Nessus. Nessus is widely used vulnerability scanning tool in the field of cybersecurity and security testing. Nessus is platform developed by Tenable that scan for security vulnerabilities in device, application, operating system, cloud service, and other network resources. It is a remote security scanning tool which scan a computer and raises an alert if it discovers any vulnerabilities that malicious hacker could use to gain access to any computer that you have connected with any network. It does is this by running over 1200 checks on given computer to see if any of these attacks could be used to break into the computer or otherwise harm it. Originally, it was launched as an open source tool in 1998, but in Enterprise Edition became a commercial product in 2005. It was developed in 1998 by Renav Derision as an open source project. Nessus gained popularity for vulnerability scanning. It was acquired by Tenable in 2005 and it features like compile scanning. Tenable introduced Nessus Essential in 2017 and Tenable, a cloud platform leveraging Nessus. In 2023, Nessus remained a trusted tool for organizations globally, reflecting in committed to adaptability and effectiveness in addressing cybersecurity challenge.
Hello, my name is Priya Loshini, daughter of Selvakumar, and my metric number is 17DDT22F2019. And I will continue part introduction. So, if you are an administrator in charge of any computer or group of computers connected to the internet, it is a great tool to help keep the domains free of the easy vulnerabilities that hackers and viruses commonly look to exploit. Some of the people who use this tool are security professionals, IT admins, system and security admins, and also software developers. So Nessus is used by a diverse range of organizations and professionals across different industry for vulnerabilities management and security assessment.
So hi everyone, my name is Tanusha Jaybalan. My ID number is 17DD22F 2037. So now I'm going to explain the first part, which installation and vulnerability scan of Nessus. So firstly, we have to download and install the Nessus into Google, and then secondly, have to click the I agree in license agreement. Then we have to click next and click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. So after that, we have to click on next and click install, and we have to wait for the installing until it's finished installing. In this slide, which is step 2, run the Nessus. So we have to click on the connect via SSL and click on have to understand. Then click on the continue. Then click on start trial of Nessus Expert. We have to put our PC's email. After we put our PC's email, we have to create the account. Then we have to click continue and click on the create user. So in this slide, we have to wait for the initializing. The next part, my team will present.
Step 3. So follow the installation and configuration procedure step by step. So click scan templates. After that, click policy templates. Click into new policy add on name. So we can type a name and description. So name is Divashni Network and description the Divashni private network. And also after that, click scan templates. After that, click on user define. After that, click on new scan add on name the list on down. After that, it will show 2 scans, and after that, we must wait for the scanning finish. After that, look look at the scan details. So scan details like there for policy, status, security base, scanning, start and exit. So after that, waiting until complete. So after that, it will list down the vulnerabilities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Step 4. What are the functionalities of NASES? One of the functionalities of NASES to conduct vulnerability assessment where it scans system and network to vulnerability, misconfiguration and weakness or threats. Beside that, it helps to anticipate threats and prioritize effort to prevent attack. It also has capability to integrate itself with other security tools. This integration helps to organization in enhance their incident response capabilities and overall security architecture. The second one, list features in NASES. The first one is basic network scan. The second one is advanced scan. Third one, malware scan. And last one, web application test. Third one, how to setting NASES pages. Firstly, we need to download and install NASES. Go to the Tenable website to download the NASES software. After installing, open a web server and navigate to the NASES web interface. We will be required to create a username and password before logging in. Use the username and password to log in to the NASES web interface. Accept the license agreement and configure basic setting. Now, we can schedule regular scan to ensure continuous monitoring of the network for vulnerabilities. We can customize scan opportunity based on the type of scan. As for now, we are using vulnerability scan we can do vulnerability check. Question number 4. How to configure a NASES? Firstly, download and install NASES from Tenability website. Then activate NASES with a license key. Then you can get a trial license or purchase a full license from Tenable. Once activate, an activation code will be sent. Then for the setup and configuration, we need to open web browser and navigate to the NASES web interface. Log in with a username and password. Question number 5. Launching a NASES scanner. To create a scan, click on Scans and then New Scans. Choose Basic Network Scan. Specify target for the scan. Save the scan configuration. Once the scan is configured, you can run it immediately or schedule it for later. Click on Scans. Select the scan you want to run, then click Launch. Monitor the progress of the scan from the web interface. After saving the scan configuration, go to the Scan tab, find the scan, create and click on it. Then click Launch to start the scan. To the monitor scan progress, you can click on the Scans tab. NASES will display information about status of scan, the number of hosts scanned and vulnerability found. Give example of result after launching NASES scanner. This is the interface of diversity network of scan summary. The second interface is host. The third interface is vulnerability was completed. 7. Give advantage and disadvantage using NASES. The advantage is comprehensive vulnerability scanning for network, operating system, databases, application, and virtual environment. The second one is extensive database of known vulnerabilities that is regularly updated to ensure accurate detect of vulnerability. The last one of advantage, scalable and can be used to scan small to large scale network, making it suitable for organization for all sizes. The disadvantage is expensive, especially for organizations require advanced features of large-scale scanning capabilities. Next, complex for the beginners, and it requires some understanding of network security concept. The last one, the level of community support may be limited compared to open source alternatives. These are the conclusion. In conclusion, Nessus is an important tool to maintain an organization from vulnerability and potential threat. It has comprehensive vulnerability scanning capabilities, extensive database of no vulnerabilities, customizable scanning policy, and detailed reporting features. This will allow organization to identify and prevent security risk across the organization, network, and system. Organization can enhance their security by conducting regular scan, analyzing result, and prioritizing remediation effort, reduce the risk of cyber threat, and maintain compliance with a regular requirement. The integration with other security tools make it capable of continuous security update. Nessus remain effective in vulnerability management, being able to help organizations stay on one step ahead in the world of cybersecurity threats. Thank you from us.